Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. This is the 7th video in how to create a website series. Today, we are going to talk about how to create the index page and the Hypertext Access file for generating the dynamic URL routing system for our website. In my site folder, create a new file and save it. Here, we use the array element query string of the super global variable $_server, all in uppercase, and the switch statement to build up our simple dynamic URL routing system. Now refresh the web browser. We can see our home page now. Basically, if no file is requested, the server will serve up the home page by default. However, the navigation menu doesn't function at this moment. To fix the problem, we have to create another new file and save it. .htaccess is short for Hypertext Access. It is a configuration file used by Apache-based web server to control the site directory living in it. Now click on the header page. Delete all the HTML extensions. And rename index to home and save it. Now the navigation menu works fine completely. Next, in the Views folder, add the script to the 4 pages before the H1 element. Doing this for demonstration only. It will be removed afterwards. Refresh the browser. Now go to the index page to see how the query string works. Click on the tabs on the navigation bar. The request query string is appended to the end of the path at the address bar. The request query string is also displayed on the web page because of the script just added. At the same time, the query string is fetched by the URL in the index page to serve up the corresponding page. Click on About. The About append here. And the URL fetch the value About here. It will serve up the About page for us. Posts appends to the end of the path now, and it's also displayed here. The URL here fetch the value posts and serve up the post page for us. Okay. However, there is another issue. In the address bar, type in it shows up a default forbidden page. Try another. Now it shows up our header page. It shows up our footer page. But we don't want this happen. So we add the Files and FilesMatch Directives in the Hypertext Access file to fix it. The hash symbol is used to ignore the line in the Hypertext Access file. I use the text here just for displaying the code explanations. They can be removed for your choice. Now we repeat the same again. it shows our custom forbidden page instead. Okay, our simple dynamic routing system is done. In the next video, we will talk about how to style our website. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to receive alerts on my new uploads. Thanks for watching.